Alright, welcome to class. Today we'll be treating more example on the mean, mode, and median. This is a continuation of our previous class on the same topic. So today we have about 4 questions. That is, each one you find the mean. It said find the mean, mode, and median of the following. We have A, B, and C, and D. So each one you find the mode, the mean, and the median. So we'll be starting from the A. The first thing you do when you are finding the mean, the mode, and the median is to arrange the number in either ascending or descending order. So now we are going to take these numbers and we arrange it in an ascending order. Number A, solution. So now we arrange in ascending order. Okay, to arrange in ascending order, we look for the smallest. The smallest will come first. Among this number, which one is the smallest? We have 11. Now we have 11. We have comma 12. 12 is how many here? 12 is just 2. Now we go to 13. 13 is 1. So we get to 14. We get to, after 14 we have what again? 14. We have 37. 37 which appear once. 38 appeared once, and 39. After arranging these in ascending order, we find the mean. Let me come. The mean, that is number of quantity. We sum up this, which will give us 176 all over 8. Mean is equal to 22. Now the second one is the mode. The mode, as we discussed in our previous class, is the most popular, or the one that's occurred highest, the highest in occurrence. So among these, we have arranged it so you know which one appear most in this sequence. We have, among these, only 12 appeared 2 times. That means 12 becomes the mode. The next one is median. The median is the middle number after arranging in either ascending or descending order, and we have already arranged it. So we count the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means if we collect 3 here and collect 3 here, we are left with 2 numbers, which is, that is number I, which is median, is equal to 13 plus 14 divided by 2. Because you are dealing with 2 numbers, you have to divide it. If this set of numbers is an odd number, that means only one we appear at the middle, so we don't have to divide. But since 2 appeared, we have to divide it by 2. Now 13 plus 14 should give us 27 divided by 2, which is equal to 13.5. And that is our median. We have solved the A. Now we are going to go for the B. So I have to play this now. Okay, the B solution. First of all, what do? The first step is to arrange. Arrange in ascending order. So we have to arrange this number in ascending order. Okay, let's start. We start by looking at the least number, the smallest number. Then among these, which one is the smallest? We have 78. So we have 78. 78 appeared once. 79. How many times? Once. We have 81. 81 appeared how many? Once. We have 82. 82 appeared how many? Once. We have, do we have 83? No 83. We have 84. Then we have 85. 85 appeared how many? Once. We have 85. 85 here. 85 here. That is, it appeared 2 times. Then we have 86. 86. 86, 86. That is 3 times. Now we have, do we have 87? Yes, 87 and 88. 87, which appeared once, 88 appeared once. Do we have 89? No. But we have 90. After 90, what else? 93. 93. So we've done the first step by arranging it in ascending order. Now, after we find the mean, so I find the mean. The mean, which is the sum of this number divided by the number of quantity. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. The number of quantity is 14. That means we have 14 in here. Now we sum the number up. Let's know what we get. Because of time, we are going to use our calculator again. We'll be getting 1190. If we divide it by 14, we'll be getting 103.6. This becomes our mean. Now, number II is the mode. which one appeared is the highest in occurrence here? If you look at all these things, only 85 appeared 2 times, 86 appeared 3 times. That means 86 is our mode. Mode equal to 86 because it appeared most. Okay, now number 3 is the median. The median is the middle number. Since this number, the quantity is 14, what do we have? The middle should be after 6. That is, if we divide this, it should be 7. The middle should be in 7. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here is our middle. So we have something like this. So 85 plus. Therefore, our median equal to 85 plus 86 divided by 2, and we will be getting 85.5. That is for B. Now we are going to go to C. Let me clean the board. Now you can remember our first solution. We are dealing on C now, and let's write solution. Step 1 is arrange in ascending order. Now, to arrange in ascending order, we look for the smallest number, which is 2. We arrange now 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 7, 7, 9, 10. So we have our number arranged in ascending order, and the number of quantity is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we find the mean. We find the mean, which is equal to the number of quantity is 11 over, we sum up this. When you sum up this, it will give you 52. So divide 11, use 11 to divide 52. Therefore we get 4.7 as our mean. Then our mode. Our mode is the highest in occurrence, as we can see here. We have 3 as the mode. So mode equal to 3. So our median is the middle number. So we have arranged it already. We look for the middle number. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have 11 here. So we count 5 from here, 5 from here. The middle number becomes our median. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our median becomes 4. Median is 4. That is for C. Now we are going to solve D. Clean this, clean this, clean this. So, solution for D. We have our D here. First of all, what we do, we look for the smallest number to arrange it in ascending order. So let's write it out here. Arrange in ascending order. Okay? So we start from 22. 22, 22, 22, oh, 22. Oh, what's next? What next? What next? 24, 30, 31. Then we have 60. So we've arranged it in ascending order now. Now we find our mean. Our mean. Mean, which is the sum all over the quantity, number of quantity. Number of quantity is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 8. And we sum up this. When we sum it up, we have 2, 3, 2. 2, 3, 2. If you divide 232 by 8, it will give you 29. This becomes our mean. Number 2, which is the mode. Which one occurred highest here? 22. Mode 40, 2, 2. Now we move to median. Our median is the middle number. Since we have 8 as the number of quantity, we are taking 3 here, 3 here. The 2. The 2 numbers at the middle becomes our, we divide it by 2. This is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Remaining this 22 plus 24, which is equal to 22 plus 24 divided by 2. Guess the number, 23. I hope you're happy. You can find more numbers and solve as an exercise. Thank you.